So in this lesson, we're learning how to parallel park. So this purple car is going near these other cars on the road, and what will happen is it will need to park in the empty space. And that's right here called parallel parking. When you park parallel or in the same line as the other ones. So you'll see this car's here, 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 and here. Maybe they're at a market, maybe they're somewhere else. This is my son. Anyway, but you'll see this is parallel parking. You take your car. Now, what sometimes happens is the car, maybe they're so close together that this purple car has a hard time and he bumps the other car. And when he does that, it can cause an accident. So sometimes parallel parking in the United States can be a little tricky. But with good driving and with good skill, you can parallel park really well. So this Ferrari, this truck's gonna get real close to him. Ferrari's gonna be like, he's gonna pull in. Some people do this. They pull out and then they back up and they scrape the side of their car. I'm just kidding. Sometimes they back up. Well, actually they do. Sometimes they back up. That's a phrasal verb. Back up, pull ahead. Back up. Oh, you bumped that car. Oops. Pull ahead. Back up, pull ahead. So that's how we parallel park. I'm gonna have my assistant show you how to parallel park between the black pickup truck and the Ferrari. Ready? Parallel park begins. Beep beep beep. Backing up. Perfect parallel park. Well, got a little bendy there, but hey, they parallel parked and they stopped. And now they are ready to get out and go shopping. So that's parallel parking. See you in the next lesson.